Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can detach audio from your clip in Filmora. So to begin, what I'm going to do is open up my Wondershare Filmora. As you can see, I've already imported a video. I'm going to bring this video right here, and I'm just going to make it slower for the sake of the video. So as you can see, during 10 seconds there is no sound, but as soon as it's done, we have the fire sound effect, as you can hear. So let's say I want to bring this fire sound effect over this 10 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on here and press on the detach audio. From here, as you can see, it has detached the audio. I can select the audio, I can move it here. So now I'm going to go to the video. I'm going to find where the fire starts, which is exactly 10 seconds in. So we're going to go to the 10-second mark, as you can see right here. And I'm going to press on Control B, I'm going to delete, and now we're going to bring our video here. We're going to have the 10-second mark saved. And as you can see now, we have fire over the video. Now another thing we can do is double tap on the video, go to chroma key, add, and now it's blank behind. So as you can see, this is what it looks like now. So anyways, that is how you detach audio. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.